Sorry, Waylon, can I get a bit more click?
More click? Okay.
Yeah. Jaden as well.
Okay. Done.
Yeah, that's good. Alright, on my count. And chorus 2. 6. 4. Don't rush. Hey, someone's playing wrong. 3. 4. Final 5. Let's play the chorus chords, guys. One more time. My count. 3, 1. 4. 6. 4. 5. 1. 2. 1 over 3. 4. 1 over 5. Alright, bring it up. Okay, cool, Jaden. Less guitar for Jaden. Which one? Both. Less both guitars for Jaden.
Got it.
Yeah, I could still use a little bit more click.
More click for
Yeah, for-
bass, okay?
Yeah. Anything else, Jaden? Okay, right?
Jamie, okay? Emma? Lika.
Guys, the timing's still a bit loose. Make sure you can hear the click. Make sure you can
beat
hear
of both
the
of it.
drums as well, yeah. For the guys over the other side. Alright, maybe let's do a quick tracks test. See if the volume's okay for everyone, then we can start. Let's get the tracks going.
1, 2,
D flat, yeah?
intro, 2, 3, 4.
This is in D. Can we down by a half step?
You minus one more?
Yeah,
Sorry.
minus 1 half step.
More tracks, okay. Wait ah.
Hey, sorry, full step. Keep thinking it's in D. Sounds like in D.
1, 2,
D flat, yeah?
2, 3, 4.
E flat.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe scrub to the middle. See if it's too loud for everyone.
I can just play the middle.
1, 2, intro. Build. Chorus. All in.
Jaden needs more. Way more, is it? A little bit more for Jaden. I need way more actually. My tracks are really soft for some reason.
More tracks for you?
Yeah. A little bit more for Jaden as well.
Post chorus. All in.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, the other side, y'all okay? Anything, just let Wei Ling know, yeah? Alright, cool. I
Isaac,
assume.
you okay?
Bridge. Breakdown.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay.
Okay, I assume everyone's okay, yeah?
Jaden, okay? Alright, Esther can stop already.
Okay. John, so we just go for it?
Yeah, Melly, do you want to do a sound check or are you okay?
Oh, Melly's there.
Maybe do one with Melly.
With Melly,
Because-
yeah.
Okay, let's do a
I'm
chorus.
okay. It's more
Let's do Bless
whether
God.
everybody thinks I'll be screaming in their ear.
Oh, yeah, maybe you guys can do a chorus with her
Yeah.
singing.
Click 73. On my count, and chorus 2 and 3.
And praise the Lord with me. Sing if you love His name.
It's a 5, Jamie. On the 1.
Come on and
On
lift
2.
your
1 over 3.
voice
4.
with me.
1 over 5.
He's worthy of all our
Alright, bring it up.
praise.
It's okay, Melly? Your ears okay?
I'm okay.
Okay, anyone needs more melody?
Wait
Literally.
give me a moment. We still need lesser Melly, okay?
Okay,
More
I need
melody.
more actually.
Okay.
Yeah. Then I'm
Jaden,
good.
okay?
Jaden's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Shall we get going? Everyone's okay? Then we'll start praise lah, straight away.
We'll do from the top, Isaac. For service intro, crash out and then to praise song. So like how service run.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Cool. Sure. Do we have the intro video playing
just
or
crash out in D lah.
just crash out in D? Okay, cool. Maybe let's just crash out in D first. Go. Crash. Alright, let's get the tracks going. Go.
1, 2, intro. 2, 3, 4.
Watch yourself, boy. Let's do.
I'm shaking all the happiness. I'm dancing out of my regrets. I'm throwing caution to the wind.
5, 4.
No, I am not ashamed to praise like this. Some say it's foolishness, but I say it's worth the risk. I can't forget what Jesus did. No, I am not ashamed to praise like this. Where are those chains that once held me? I'm free, I'm free, I'm free, I'm free. My sin is gone, I'm getting me. I'm free, I'm free, I'm free, I'm free. Look at what the Lord has done. I'm never going back to the way I was. I'll sing, I'll dance 'cause I
Sure, yeah.
believe. I'm free, thank God I'm free. I found a friend that never quits. No other love's as good as this. I don't care what anyone thinks. I'll never be ashamed to praise like this. Where are those chains that once held me? I'm free, I'm free, I'm free, I'm free. My sin is gone, I'm getting me. I'm free, I'm free, I'm free, I'm free. Look at what
Four.
the Lord has
It's a 3 there, yeah.
I'm never going back to
7, 6.
the way I was. I'll sing, I'll
4.
dance 'cause I believe. I'm free, thank God I'm free. Then you broke your body, you shed your blood, now the sinner can't sing. My debt is paid and my record is clean. I couldn't do it, so you did it for me. You took the cross and you broke your body. You shed your blood, now the sinner can't sing. My debt is paid and my record is clean. I couldn't do it, so you did it for me. You took the cross and you broke your body. You shed your blood, now the sinner can't sing. My debt is paid and my record is clean. I couldn't do it, so you did it for me. I couldn't do it, so you did it for me. I couldn't do it, so you did it for me. I couldn't do it, so you did it for me. I couldn't do it, so you did it for me. Where are those chains that
Remember, yeah, there's hits after this, yeah.
I'm free, I'm free, I'm free, I'm free. My sin is gone, I'm getting free. I'm free,
Two.
I'm free, I'm free, I'm free. Look at what the Lord has done. I'm never going back to the way
7, 6, guys.
I'll sing, I'll dance 'cause I believe. I'm free, thank God I'm free. I'm free, thank God I'm free.
Ending is.
Look at what the Lord has done. I'm never going back to the way I was. Look at what the Lord has done. I'm never going back to
Here we
the
go.
way
On 3.
I was. Look at what the Lord has done.
4 over 6.
I'm never going
4.
back to the way I was.
3.
I'll sing,
4.
I'll dance 'cause I believe. I'm
Ending hits.
free, thank
Hits, go.
God I'm free.
transition into a time of worship. So
On the one more time,
for
start the
anyone
click.
that have any need, please
three,
step forward.
four.
We have our team right in front. They'll be ready to pray for you. Yeah. And so
We're gonna go
let's
to the
lift our hands,
intro, yeah?
everyone, and let's praise the Lord. Yeah.
Two.
Let's go into a time of worship.
Intro. 2, 3, 1. 4, 6, 4, 5. Keep going. One more time. 4. Alright, bring it down from the verse. Verse 2, 3, on the 1.
Blessed are those who run to Him, who place their hope and confidence in Jesus. He won't forsake them.
5.
Blessed are those who seek
Two.
His face,
Okay,
who
Jamie.
bend their knee and fix
Four,
their
one.
gaze on Jesus.
6, 5.
They won't be shaken.
Come on.
Come on
1,
and praise
2,
the Lord with me.
6.
Sing
Four.
if you love His name. Come on and sing.
1, 2.
Your
three.
voice
Four.
with me.
Are you okay with the chords, Jimmy?
He's worthy of all
On the 1.
praise.
Hold it, 2 bars. One more bar. Verse 2, 3.
Okay.
4, 1.
Sorry.
Yep.
Just very quickly. Would it be simpler if we changed it to C?
Sure.
Okay, let's do C then.
I'm so
Let's do
sorry.
C.
I am the worst. The guitarist in KL and keyboards don't like me that much also. Because I like D flat.
Jamie, you
let's
okay
do-
with the
let's do
chords?
C. Let's do C.
Ken?
Okay. Let's just go from maybe just the second verse. Alright?
Alright,
Do
we're just
it,
going
you can do
straight
it.
to the second
Something
verse
strong,
of the groove.
guys.
Lah. Okay, let's start the click. Alright, second verse coming strong. And 1, 2, and verse.
Blessed are those who walk
Got
with
two.
Him, whose hearts are set on pilgrimage with Jesus.
6, 5.
They'll see His glory.
Time.
Blessed are those who die to live, who know it is to give it all for Jesus.
Good, take it.
For Him only.
Keep on.
Oh Jesus, all for Your
Chorus.
glory.
And
Come on and praise
wow, nice, Emma.
the Lord with me.
6,
Sing if you
Four.
love
5,
His name. Come on and lift
2, 1, number 3,
your voice
Four.
with me.
5,
and lift.
Keep going up. Don't go to the top. Open up again. Chorus again and open up. Let's stick to one progression lah. Don't play the 6 here. Let's keep it simple. Go to the 1. Or 2. 1 of 3. Second, yeah. 6. 1 of 1. Got 2. 6. Again. Check. 1. Gonna refrain, yeah. 1 of 1. Order 1. Over. Okay, we're going to the refrain. 1, 2, 3, up, bless.
I bless your name in the morning. I bless your name in the evening. I bless your name in the morning. Every chance I get, I bless your name. I bless your name in the morning. I bless your name in the evening. I bless your name in the morning. Every chance I get, I
On 3.
bless your name. I bless your name in the
6.
morning. I bless your name
5,
in the
3,
evening.
4, 6.
Every chance I get,
One time.
I bless your name in the morning. I bless your name in the evening. I bless your name in the morning. Every chance I
Big
get,
time. On 3.
I bless your name. I bless your name. I bless your name. Every
Get back.
chance I get,
Right,
I
go.
bless your name. I bless your name.
Chorus. 2, 1. 4. Keep going. Don't go to the 6, Jamie. Let's play the same progression. One more time. You can bring it up. Check it, yeah. 1 of 1. Got 2. 5. 1. Got 2.
He's worthy.
6.
He's worthy of all
Got 3.
our praise.
4. Just play the bridge chords. 6. Keep going. 1 to 1.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right. Sorry, guys. Because of time, we're just gonna
Yeah,
cut
sure.
that short. Yeah. Great job, everybody. Come on, let's give them a hand. That was actually really strong. You guys sound strong. Hey, good sound system.